DepEd Secretary, sir.
Well, no, it turns out it's harder than I thought. So, because we have to absolutely get it right. So I'm giving myself more time.
Sir, what makes it very hard for you?
As I told you before, we have to see really what the DepEd needs. Of course, there are many calls for the new secretary to be an educator. There are many calls for the new secretary to be an administrator. There are new calls to be a historical professor for all of this, and they're all valid concerns. That's what education is all about, and that is why. And I've gone through so many CVs. Marami tayong magagaling. We have to choose somebody who has an understanding of what is important in terms of being an educator. But then we also have to find the same person also has to have those qualities that they can galvanize this very, very large bureaucracy, which is the DepEd, to achieve all of those gains or all of those changes, to make the educational standard better. Ang lagi naman natin tinitignan ng mga test score natin. We have to bring up the test scores. We all know that. So you need an educator who understands how to help the students, how to help the teachers. Number one. So that's it. There are many people who understand that, who are experts really in the educational sector. But then how do you achieve that? That requires a very good hand on the tiller of the DepEd who can manage it properly, who understands the bureaucracy, who understands how to use a budget properly. All of these things. Yun ang mahirap ang trabaho ng DepEd. Kaya that's why we have to thank Inday Sara for really the effort that she put in. There's a great deal more work to be done, and we'll find the right person to do it.
Ilan ang nasa shortlist?
I'm sorry?
Shortlist. Ilan ang nasa shortlist?
Well, I'm not going to let you tie me down to anything. We're looking at everyone. We're looking at everyone. We don't make a short list. Every time I know people myself, now sa palagay ko kaya nila yung trabaho. And many people come to me and say, why don't you think about this fellow? Why don't you think about this, the maestra? Why don't you think? So we look at them.
Ibig sabihin na, Mr. President,
We have to get...
Nahirapan kang pumili doon sa mga nirecommend.
Yun ang, sa madaling sabi, oo, nahirapan akong pumili. Dahil napaka-komplikado ng trabaho ng DepEd. Okay, thank you.